Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Yellow color, blue color, yellow ochre color, green color, red color and black color. So kids, now we draw alphabets. And first we draw A and use yellow color. A for aeroplane. B for bus. C for car. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use blue color. Blue color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Okay, so now you draw R and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for well. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, so now you draw numbers. And first we draw 1 and use green color. Green color. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.